This will be a video on a Cat 416 backhoe diesel. Gonna have the extend-a-hoe on the back. Looks like about a 18-inch bucket on there. I'll get that measured and put in the deal. Got the quick release set up there, nice and easy. Yeah, clean down here. Looks like some new lines, not a bunch of mess going on, so that's nice. Pretty dang straight. A nice cutting edge on there. Yeah, let's get on, start it up and run it around. All right. Nice and smooth. 4,893 hours. Controls back here. Let's see. I'll rev it up a little bit. Show you that it all works. Water. Big deal. Side to side. All works like it should. That'll be the front. Brakes work. That's it. Nothing to it. It's a pretty dang decent one. Let's see, maybe one more look from the outside here. There she is. March 31st, preview day, 9 to 4. Auction will be Sunday, April 1st, or Saturday, April 1st. Saturday. Too many of these things. Anyway, Saturday, April 1st, 7 p.m. Be on there. There's all that. Oh, let me show you the extend-a-hoe real quick. Let's see. There we go. While we're back here. So that all works like it should. All right. Catch y'all on the next one.